Hi, warm wishes to my all viewers. I am Dr. Ankur Gupta. I am a practicing orthodontist in Gurgaon for last 12 years. Today I am going to talk about my branch, orthodontics, which is very commonly known as braces or wires. These braces and wires, what are they? This is just a treatment modality to correct the mal-aligned or misaligned teeth, or we say the patient who are having crooked tooth or forwardly placed tooth or Bugs Bunny type of tooth. We can align them with this sort of braces. In this treatment modality, it is a very slow process. We put small attachment over the tooth surfaces and we apply very small little gentle forces to align those teeth into their final and ideal position. Usually this process is a very slow process. It takes around 1 year. Usually most of the patient they ask me what is the best time to get the braces. I will say the best time would be in the growing age of the patient, like when the child is growing between 10 to 15 years, the best time. But now due to a dental advancement, lot of advancement in technology, any patient can get the braces, whether he is in his 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. But just his bone condition should be good. Usually there are three types of braces. First one is the metal type of braces, which I have shown you earlier also. These type of metal braces, they were the traditional one. They are more visible and usually done in children. Then another type is the ceramic type of braces, which are slightly less visible, more smoother, comfortable. Then the third one are type of braces which are called invisible braces, in which the braces are put from the inside structure of the tooth. These type of braces, they are usually this treatment is usually taken by the patients whose jaw profile is like that. They don't want to show off that they are getting the braces, or their social binding is like that. In case you want to know more about all these things, not only about braces or any other treatment modality, you can contact me on Live Rate through any online consultation or offline consultation. Thank you.